So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your mouse clicks are randomly going to stop working. So there are multiple fixes to that. First of all, clear all the temporary files just by click Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you need to search for temp, and it will ask you to give the permission. Just simply continue from here and delete all the files that are stored over there. It will ask you to warning, so just simply skip those particular files. Now all the temporary files has been deleted. Same again, click on Windows plus R key, and here you need to search for tree. Once you do that, you'll see a process will start and disappear itself. Now this will solve your problem, and if does not, simply right click on this PC, click on show more option, click on manage right there. Now here, once it gets open, click on a device manager, and here you'll find the list of installed drivers. Just simply go to mice and other pointing device. Make sure that mouse pointers are updated. Just simply go for their hit for such automatic updates, and it will show you that your that the update is available or not. And give a try to all of these. That will definitely gonna solve your problem, and just give a restart to your computer after doing all this, and that will definitely gonna work for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.